If you are an aspiring UX designer or thinking of switching career into UX, you are probably seen posts like this: UX is dead, AI killed junior roles, companies only want senior UX designers. So the big question is UX still a good career to choose? In this video, I am going to talk about how beginner UX designers can still land confident roles in today's market. Watch till the end to learn the expert approach. Before I start, I just want to say a huge thank you to each and every one of you. We just crossed 1000 subscribers on this channel, and honestly, I couldn't have done this without your support. Your likes, comments, shares and encouragements mean so much to me. This channel started to help aspiring and beginner UX designers, and seeing this community grow motivates me to create even better content for you. Thank you for trusting me and being part of this community. Let me quickly introduce myself. I am Pavani Priyasajja, a UX designer, mentor and speaker. On my design and UX channel, I share my 10 years of design experience to help beginners learn UX design in a simple and practical way, this strategically. Let's jump into the video. UX is dead, AI has killed junior roles, companies only want senior designers. So the big question is, should you still choose UX as a career? For me, these are the wrong questions. The real question is, what problem do you actually want to solve? Because here what's true, job titles change, tools change. 5 years ago, everyone was talking about UI and UX designer. Now it's product designer. Tomorrow it will be something else. But the ability to understand people, to notice when something feels confusing and figure out why, that doesn't go away. That's always valuable. So stop asking if UX is a good career. Start asking if understanding people is something you actually care about. Forget the job title for a second. Let me ask you something. Do you ever use an app and think, why is this so frustrating? Why did they make it this way? Do you find yourself curious about what people are actually trying to do when they use something? Do you enjoy making this simpler, cleaner, more human? If these questions excite you, that curiosity is the foundation. Everything else can be learned. Figma, you can learn that in a few weeks. User research methods, there are books, courses, YouTube videos. The tools and techniques are easy part. The hard part is caring, and you can't fake that. Now, let me be honest about what's happening in the market. The old path, you know the one, learn Figma, make a portfolio with some redesigns of existing website or the application, apply to bunch of UX design jobs, hope someone picks you. That path is really crowded right now. Thousands of people are doing the exact same thing, and companies are getting hundreds of applications that all look the same. On top of that, AI is automating a lot of the starter tasks that juniors use to learn on wireframing, basic mockup, simple flows. So if you are trying to enter through that door, yeah, it's going to be hard. But here is what people missing. There are other doors too. Let me tell you about 3 doors most people ignore. Everyone wants to design consumer apps, cool startups, flashy products. That's where the competition is brutal. But insurance companies, healthcare systems, government services, internal enterprise tools, they are desperate for UX help. They can't attract talent because nobody thinks it's a beautiful. But the problem are real. The pay is good, and you will actually learn faster because you are solving hard problems, not competing with the 500 people for one role. Sometimes the best way into UX isn't just UX design job title. Consumer support puts you close to user every day. QA testing makes you think about flows and edge cases. Technical writing is basically UX for documentation. Get in the building first. Learn the product, build relationship, then move laterally When an opportunity opens, a lot of working designers got in this way. Third, whatever industry you are coming from, that's your edge. A bootcamp grad who redesigned an existing website can't compete with someone who actually understands how hospital works or how teachers use software or what truck drivers need. Let's talk about AI because I know that's a part of your question. Here is a simple way to think about. If AI can do your job, you lose. If you can do 10x more using AI, you win. AI can generate wireframes in seconds, it creates layouts, suggest color schemes, even write UX copy. But AI can't still with the user and feel their frustrations. It can't understand why a business trade-off matters. It can't navigate a tricky conversations with stakeholders who don't understand what design is. That's human work. That means your work. So, don't see AI as a problem, see it as a tool that makes you faster. The designers who will do well are the ones who use AI to handle the boring stuff so they can focus on the thinking stuff. Okay, here is the question I really want you to still with. If there were zero UX jobs available, like the whole field just disappear tomorrow, would you still want to learn this stuff? Would you still find it interesting to watch how people are using the sketch out better flows, to think about why one design works and another doesn't? If the answer is yes, learn it anyway, build things, help people. The job will follow eventually. Maybe not quickly, maybe not easily, but it will follow. If the answer is no, if you are mainly interested because you heard that the salary is good and the work sounds creative, that's okay to admit, but then maybe explore what you actually enjoy first, because this field is hard enough when you love it. It's brutal when you don't. Here is something important. You don't need a job title to do UX work. You can start today. Redesign something that frustrates you and explain your thinking, not just to, I made it prettier, explain why you made each choice. Help a friend's small business make their website less confusing, even if it's just moving some buttons around and rewriting some text. Watch someone use an app, a parent, a friend, anyone, and write down what you notice. Where do they hesitate? What do they misunderstood? Volunteer for a non-profit that needs design help. They won't pay you, but you will get real users, real problems, and something real for your portfolio. The career path figures itself out when you are actually good at something and can prove it. Now here is something that might surprise you, and it's actually good news if you are just starting out. When it comes to AI, everyone is learning, whether they are juniors or seniors. Think about junior designers are learning AI tools, building UX fundamentals, developing design judgment, all at the same time. It's a lot. You have to build your skills and adopt AI together. Senior designers have a head start on UX fundamentals. They have a strong design judgment from years of experience. But guess what? They are also learning AI tools for the first time. They are adapting their existing skills to new AI workflows. The difference? Seriously, already know UX deeply, but the AI part, that's brand new for them too. Here is why this matters for you. AI is a new for everyone. The learning curve to adopt AI is equal, and that's your opportunity. You will not be behind on AI. Nobody has 10 years of experience using these tools because they didn't exist 10 years ago. If you learn AI powered design workflows now, you are on the same starting line as everyone else. The senior designers have experience, but you have time and energy to master the new tools. That's not nothing. Before we wrap up, I want you to do something. Ask yourself, why am I choosing UX design as my career? Now, why other people think it's good? Now, not why some articles said it pays well, why you? Sit with that question, be honest with yourself. When you answer it truthfully, you will follow whether this path is right for you. And if the answer is yes, I have got something that might help. I have created a series of videos that walk you through this step by step. First, watch how to become a UX designer. This gives you the big picture of what the journey looks like. Then watch the video on skills so you know exactly what to learn and in what order. Next, watch top 5 companies hiring UX designers to understand where the opportunities actually are. Finally, watch the videos on open source platforms. These show you how to get real experience by contributing to a real projects. I have put this step-by-step learning path to make your journey easier. Just practical guidance based on what actually works. Video links are provided in the description. So here is what I want to leave you with. The people who make it through tough job market aren't the ones who pick the right career. They are the ones who can't stop doing the work. So don't ask, should I get into UX? Ask, am I genuinely curious about how people experiencing things? If you are, start here. I hope this information is helpful for you. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel for more information about agentic UX. Good luck with your journey. See you in the next video.